Welcome to these lectures. So we click our downloaded Android Studio software. Click on it to install it. Pay attention to this installation because it looks tricky. Then say welcome to Android Studio setup. Setup will guide you through the installation of Android Studio. It is recommended you close other applications before starting setup. That is just a suggestion. So you click next to continue. So click on next. Good. Here you want installation is Android Studio, which is must, and Android visual device. I don't want to install that now because that particular one takes a lot of data and it will take time also. So click next again. Do not create shortcuts, so I want to create shortcut. Click next. So the installation has started. Sit down, relax, find a cup of tea and follow the installation. The time it takes depends on the speed and the configuration of your PC. So installation complete. Your setup was completed successfully. You can click and see the details. So click next. Say start Android Studio. Yes, I want to start Android Studio. This has been installed on my PC. Click on finish. Have to wait for a while for Android Studio to start. So this is Android Studio Flamingo 2022.2.1. It's a configure installation. I think for now I'll choose do not import settings. If you like, you can configure the directory. So this is my Android Studio Flamingo. And you can see the flamingo very well. Would you say help improve Android Studio? The choice is yours here. Yes, Android Studio is about downloading. There are thousands and thousands of packages each time you open Android Studio that must be downloaded. So you say welcome to Android Studio. This symbol you see is tab, watch, TV, and even car. So you can write application for any of them. So that is this symbol you see. Thank you as we continue with the other ones. Thank you. Bye.